all the gorgeous girls on stage. This is your moment. So, ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 1 from Punjab.
There was a time when I used to ask myself a question that am I enough? But today at 19, I stand here as the youngest contestant here. Not because of lameness or because of the eligibility, but to prove that growth is not affected by age. I am Yashika Sharma from Jalandhar, Punjab, a land where warriors are raised with grace. I started modeling when I was 13 years old. And since then, I have not stopped. I have done more than 100 shows, which has taught me resilience, pageants, runways, sprints, and everything that I could do. And this has taught me everything that other things could not. I, from my journey, has been always a learner. Thank you so much.
All right. Well, the 45 seconds are up. Next we have contestant number 2 from Goa.
Many think they know a small town girl, simple and observant. While I am all of those things, I also have a fire within me. I am Sadhvi Sail from the shores of Goa, and the fishermen have taught me that I just need to take a leap into the unknown. This led me to move to Canada on a scholarship to pursue economics and international relations. There I learned over 7 languages, became a certified beekeeper, a model, and an entrepreneur. The people of my soil don't lack talent, but just the access. My grandmother turned sewing into something so meaningful that it gave her income. Similarly, I believe that today I'm standing here not as a part of her tale, but as her fresh start. Thank you so much.
All right, that was great. Up next, ladies and gentlemen, let's call our next contestant for the introduction. Contestant number 3 from Madhya Pradesh.
फेमिना मिस इंडिया मेरे लिए उस सपने की शुरुआत है जहां मैं भारत की उस छवि को दुनिया के सामने रखना चाहती हूं जिसे हम विश्व गुरु के रूप में जानते हैं। और इस माटी की बेटी होकर मैंने ये जाना है कि कर्तव्य, मातृत्व और नेतृत्व हर भारतीय महिला के भीतर जन्म से ही होते हैं और आज उसी शक्ति का प्रतिनिधित्व मैं कर रही हूँ। नमस्कार, I am Dhanushri Chauhan, a third-year law student from a small town of Sivni in Madhya Pradesh, here to merge my intellect with grace with the hope to represent the spirit of India. Namaste. Dhanyavad.
All right. Moving on to our next contestant, ladies and gentlemen. Contestant number 8 from Assam.
Namaskar, Bhubaneswar. As a daughter of the soil of my Assam, I carry the grace and resilience from my land. Today, I stand here to represent not only myself, but those who rise above adversities of life. I am a resilient person who believes in making life easy. I'm really sorry. Despite having physical and mental challenges, I have emerged more stronger and more determined. I'm really sorry that I missed it, but Despite physical and mental challenges, I have emerged more stronger and more determined, and someone who refused to betray the version she dreamt to be. And today, I want you all to remember life is a gift. I'm really
All right.
and dream is the fool. Thank you.
All right, thank you very much. Moving on to our next contestant, contestant number 9 from Odisha.
Stars shine brighter when the mind believes in its own sky. I am Ayushi Panda, a 20-year-old from the beautiful state Odisha. I'm a Kathak dancer, a reader, and a proud Model United Nations delegate who believes in the power of dialogue and expression. Growing up, I struggled with a lot of anxiety and self-image issues, always asking myself if I'm enough. But today, I stand here stronger than enough. And the most important thing is the world is full of challenges and uncertainty, and we're always waiting for that perfect moment. But we don't have to wait. The most powerful thing you can do is simply start. So start now, start chasing your dreams, trust your journey. I stopped asking, can I? And started saying, watch me. And that's when the tables turned. Thank you.
All right. Well, up next, ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 10 from Chhattisgarh.
संस्कृति से समृद्ध छत्तीसगढ़ और उसके दिल बस्तर की मिट्टी से जुड़ी मैं अनुष्का सोन इस भारत की बेटी आप सबको प्रणाम करती हूँ. I am an MBBS doctor, an author and an entrepreneur. And it took me 7 years to be on this prestigious stage of Femina Miss India. A journey where I learned the true meaning of Vasudev Kutumbakam, that is, we all are one family. Today I stand here wearing my white coat and my sash and with pride, also with purpose. A purpose to represent more than myself, my tribe, my family, my nation, India. Bharat Mata ki!
All right, up next, ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 11 from Telangana.
There was a time I couldn't even get myself onto the stage, but here I am owning it today. I was that girl who stayed quiet because of the way she sounded, but I was raised in a family that never let me shrink. Somewhere along the way, I realized that courage is not the absence of fear, but the decision to move forward despite of it. Today, I, Ramya Kailasa, from Telangana, stand here not just as who I am, but as every version of myself that refuses to give up. And if I can stand here today, so can every other girl who's still waiting for a moment, because your voice is not perfect, but it is yours. Thank you.
Up next, ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 12 from Karnataka.
It all started with my mother crowning me on my 7th birthday with a tiara on. And I was astonished. I was a person who never came up to the stage. I also lived in an environment where everybody took simpler paths. But me, I wanted to dream bigger, aim higher, driven by the mantra in my life, Yukta Karma, Phalam Tyaktva. I give my best without being obsessing over outcome. And here I am, Khushi Kalkeri, representing my state, Karnataka. I stand here not just chasing my dreams, but being everything I was dreamt to be of. Namaskar.
Up next, ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 15 from Rajasthan.
कोमलता कमज़ोरी नहीं होती, वो ताकत होती है जो टूट कर भी कभी किसी को टूटने नहीं देती। मैं वो एहसास हूँ जो खामोशी में भी असर छोड़ जाना जानती है। मैं वो आवाज़ हूँ जो इतनी बुलंद है कि ताकत की तरह सब जगह बिखरना जानती है। Good evening, everyone. My name is Tarushi Rai, coming from a land of Vellore, Rajasthan. Being an engineer, I have learned that logic may build machines, but emotion builds human beings. Today, I stand here not as a perfectionist, but as someone real. क्योंकि जब एक नारी अपनी कोमलता को अपनी ताकत बना लेती है, तो वो सिर्फ अपनी पहचान नहीं बनाती, वो इतिहास बना देती है। Thank you.
Up next, contestant number 16 from Andhra Pradesh.
Namaskar, Bhubaneswar. Yogastha Kuru Karmani Sangam Tattve Dhananjaya. Staying grounded while fulfilling my duties. Guided by this Bhagavad Gita mantra, I stand here to represent my state, Andhra Pradesh, as an aspiring lawyer. Growing up, I faced bullied and financial strain. All my students, all my people who were my age were still trying to figure out what to do, but I am here standing tall and strong, taking up all responsibilities. Whatever life threw at me, I took it as a struggle and pushed, built and convinced that I can do anything. I am standing on this stage today to represent and bring the first crown to the Andhra Pradesh. Thank you.
Up next, contestant number 19 from Sikkim.
Namaste, my name is Dikila Sherpa and I am representing my state, Sikkim. From being a lab technician to becoming a content creator and an actor, every phase has shaped me into someone who chooses courage over comfort. मेरा भी एक सपना है, एक ऐसा एनजीओ बनाना है जहां बुजुर्ग और ज़रूरतमंद बच्चे साथ रहे, जहां उन्हें प्यार, परिवार और अपनापन भी मिले। ये मंच मेरे लिए सिर्फ सुंदरता ही नहीं, बल्कि ताकत, हौसला, उद्देश्य और बदलाव लाने की प्रेरणा भी है। My state has not seen a Miss India winner yet. I am here to create history.
All right, up next, ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 20 from Maharashtra.
Namaste Bharat. Maji Mati Maji Takat ahe. My roots are my strength. I am Rajnandini Pawar, a daughter of this soil shaped by its resilience. I was first 3 years old when I stepped onto a stage, and ever since then I have found my purpose. Dance gave me voice. Sports is something that gave me discipline. And altogether, lifting others up is something that is my purpose and something that taught me to rise. I stand here today with a single vision, a single thought, and a single goal to represent and honor my story, my soil, and my voice, and to show the world how far roots can rise.
All right, up next, ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 25 from Union Territory.
Oneness with the divine, the very essence of my name. Hello, Bhubaneswar. I'm Shri Advaita, a doctor, dancer, and model born into an army background. I stand here as one voice for 7 territories with Jammu at heart and Tamil Telugu roots, recognition for creating eco-friendly sanitary napkins, and leading awareness campaigns taught me the power of purpose. From academia to thriving in dance, from battling a spinal injury to establishing NGO dedicated for women's health, my journey embodies resilience. Healer, muse, mover, catalyst. This is my story. Thank you.
Up next, ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 26 from Gujarat.
From the vastness of the run to the strength of the Gir, as a daughter of this soil, I embody strength and grace. Namaskar, moru naam che Parinas Cooper, and I'm representing the land of legends, Gujarat, an international level sportswoman shaped by discipline, an engineer who uses technology to uplift others, and a performer who finds her voice on stage. I stand here rooted in the Parsi values of Humata, Hukta, Hurvarashta, good thoughts, good words, and good deeds. Like my Bharat, my strength lies in its diversity, and I'm here to turn that strength into impact. Jai Hind.
Up next, ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 30 from Himachal Pradesh.
Ekta और अनुशासन. The principles I have learned as an NCC cadet have shaped me who I am today. Coming from a background where girls are often restricted to step alone, today I am standing here on my own. My journey is truly extraordinary. Namaste everyone, I am Shreya Thakur, a proud daughter of a former serviceman and a firm believer in dreams. In my small village, modeling and pageantry are not even seen as a path, but I was determined to break that norm. Today, standing here not just for my own dreams, but for every girl who dared to dream boldly. Thank you.